Good morning, children. This is your computer teacher Amrita Banerjee. Children, we were doing our chapter number 3. Okay, so we have discussed quite many features in last two videos. Now, in this video, children, we will be starting with the border, applying border. Okay, so in last video, we have seen that how we will be applying border to our paragraph. Okay, and we have also discussed about the shading. So I will just recall the shading part once again, and then we will move on to page border, that how we will be applying the page border, children. Okay, so here, children, you can see I have already kept a Word document open. Now I will be selecting a text. Okay, and I will go to the home tab, and over here in this border, paragraph border, in this border and shading, so I'm going to the shading option. Okay, I have selected it to be 25%, and I will select some different color, and I will apply. So children, you can see the shading effect in our paragraph. Okay, you can even change this to different percentage, like in home the same option I will be going, and over here suppose in the shading I have selected it to be suppose full suppose it to be 15%. Okay, and I will select the color. Suppose I have selected it to be yellow color, and now I will apply this as okay. So children, you can find that there is very light yellow shading. Okay, and if it is not visible, I'll just zoom the screen. Now I guess it is visible. You can find a very light yellowish shading in the paragraph. So children, this way we apply shading to the paragraph. Now children, we will discuss about the page border. Okay, this is our next feature. So children, for that you are finding this design tab. We will go to this design tab. Okay, and here children, you can find an option at the right side, page border. I have selected this. Now children, suppose I have selected this option, shadow. Color, suppose I have selected it this. Okay, point, suppose I have selected it as 3, and now I will apply OK. So children, you can find the border of the page. See, we have got a border for the page. Okay, now we will see some another kind of design. We are going to design once again page border, and now children, I will select this art. Okay, this art you can find no here. Suppose children, I am selecting suppose this one only. Okay, and this is 21 point 31 point the width is. I will reduce the width a bit. Okay, now I will apply OK, and see children, we have got a different border, that is the apple kind of border, isn't it? Now again I will go to the design tab. I'm sorry, again I will go to this border, and again I will choose some another art. Suppose I will choose this tree one, and I will do OK. See children, now we have got this Christmas tree border. Isn't it beautiful? Again children, now this was the page border. Now we will be applying a page color. Okay, so we will be going to the design tab once again. Now see, this is your page color option. So children, suppose you have selected yellow color. See, my text is converted into yellow. I'll just show you the whole page. Okay, suppose the design one, and now page color, suppose I am selecting it to be yellow. See how this is your green, this is your blue, this is your red, this is your gray, this is your another yellow. Isn't it beautiful? So children, this way you can apply any kind of color to your page. Okay, so this is also one of the features, isn't it? Now children, one more thing we have, that is to apply margins. Okay, so children, for that we will go to this layout. Fine. So first children, we will have this option orientation. Now children, you can see this. This is what kind of orientation children? This is your actually portrait orientation. Now we have two options. So right now see the gray color you can find on the portrait option. So this is your portrait. Now when I will do it to landscape, see children, now what sort of orientation I have got. Okay, so even this orientation option is also available for your different document. Okay, again I will go to this layout option. Now children, I will select this margin. Okay, so children, suppose I have selected this wide margin kind of. So children, the margin length would get increased using this option. Okay, suppose I have see, you can see children, all the text here, the margin length has got increased. Again children, I will go to the same option, layout, and suppose I am reducing the margin. I am using this narrow option. See children, now the margin has got reduced. Okay, so this way children, you can change even the margin options are also there. This is your normal option, normal margin children. See, you have got the normal margin for your text. So this way children, we set up the orientation, that is portrait and landscape, and also we set up the different margins. Okay, now children, suppose we need to view our document. Okay, so for that children, suppose I am going to this option over here, um, view. Okay, so children, this view will give that how our page will look like. This is your read mode, that means only for reading purpose, so your page will look this way. Okay, then we have this option of print layout, that how it will be available for printing. So children, this is your print layout, that means when you will print your document, it will look this way. Okay, that's why this is your print layout. Okay, then suppose children, you want to see it, and suppose you are having more than one page in your document. So children, you will select this multiple page. So see children, in one go you can see your 3 pages of the document. Okay, so this is all available in this view option. Okay, either you can see one single page or you can see multiple pages. Okay, so these all are available in this view option children. Okay, now we will go to this file menu once children. Suppose I am clicking on this print. Now children, first the thing is that before printing you need to look now that how your document would be looking like, isn't it? So children, this way you get the layout also, preview also, that means how your document will look like after getting printed. So even children, that is also available. You can have a view that how the you can even change the orientation from here. See children, orientation option is there, one side print or two side print. Okay, one page per sheet, then you want normal margin, then you want to change the type of the page. So these all are available in the file menu. Okay, you can see I have went to this file menu and here I have went to this print option. So children, you can view all this. Okay, all this will be available, that how your document will look like after printing, even that is also available. Fine children, now this was what is there in your this chapter, and we have discussed almost all the features for this chapter. Okay, so that's all children. Now we will be uh, doing our exercises soon. Please practice all these features at home. Thank you children.